Hi YouTube people. Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy Monday. It is already mid-afternoon. The morning has been a little bit busy, but I thought we would start the vlog here. This is gonna be a few days of my life because we do have some exciting things happening, so I thought, why not take you guys with me? I've had 2 meetings this morning thus far, and then have just been sending out emails, made my to-do list, and just doing the whole shebang, the whole routine. Mondays I usually like to just catch up on like any emails that might have came in. Friday when I was done with work, or early in the morning. Some people work over the weekend, so they send you stuff. I already did my whole coffee routine. I have a training in about an hour, so we need to sign up for a certain amount of hours of training as part of the requirements for my role. And so I signed up for, I think this is like a presentation thing, like how to be a good presenter and learning more about PowerPoint, because I have experience with PowerPoint, but I never really had to use it up until now. We do a lot with PowerPoint in terms of client deliverables, reports, memos. All of that is mainly through PowerPoint. We don't use Word as often. So in terms of Microsoft, I'm mainly in PowerPoint and Excel. It's just a whole lot. I didn't know all that you could really do with PowerPoint, so I'm taking a training on that. It's a 2-hour long training from 2 to 4 p.m. So I'm literally like on a quick lunch break right now. I'm probably gonna eat during it, so I'm just like regrouping myself, and then I'm gonna get back into work, wrap up one thing before my meeting with my manager this afternoon after that training. So yeah, that's a little bit what's going on. And I wanted to give a huge thank you to our friends over at Vivaia for partnering with me in today's video. Y'all, I've shared about Vivaia before. They are a sustainable brand. They use recycled plastic bottles to make their products, y'all, and products are quality. So they're having their spring sale, and their spring items are now out. And you guys know Mother's Day is coming up soon, so what better way to honor your mother or that mother figure in your life than giving them something that is cute, that they can wear, and also that is helping out the environment. So let me show you guys what I got, and everything is going to be in the description box for you guys, the link for you guys to shop, and you also save some money off using my discount code. So yeah, let me show you guys what I got for myself and for my mom for Mother's Day. Alright you guys, so I just finished up with the meeting that I told you I had with my manager. I thought that it was for later on in the day, but it was actually before my training. I scheduled it for before my training. So good thing that on Friday I wrapped up everything I had to, so that I went into my meeting obviously knowing what I was talking about. And pretty much it was just a status update for this client that we have, just some cash control and cash reconciliation items. They had a previous audit with another firm that didn't go so well, and we were hired we do a lot of work for them, and a part of what their management asked us to do is kind of go through this now that it's been a few years and say like, okay, have they fully implemented what they said they would implement, or are there still areas that have gaps that need to be addressed? We had meetings, we had walkthroughs with the client. Y'all know what walkthroughs are, okay? Y'all remember walkthrough days? So we had the walkthroughs with the client. They provided us some support that I reviewed, went through, and pretty much they're getting better, but essentially everything that they said they would do, they have been doing. And so I was just kind of going through like debriefing with my manager and figuring out how are we going to report this to the client. So what we're gonna do, I'm gonna finish this test sheet, which is pretty much good to go, and then essentially we're going to provide our information to the client, and then they're gonna let us know how they want the report to be for their audit committee. So the vivaia stuff, you guys saw I got a bag, which I'm gonna use on my trip. I don't know if I said it, but we're going to New York City tomorrow, and y'all are coming with me. I'm gonna be in New York City for just 24 hours for work. I have a work event that I was asked to attend. So I'm flying out tomorrow. We're flying out, y'all. I can use that as my carry-on, and with that I don't even need to bring my work bag. I don't need to bring my backpack. I'm just gonna have that in my little carry-on. And then I got the shoes for my mom, which they're so cute. She's gonna love it, and obviously she's gonna see it before this vlog goes out, but she's gonna love those shoes because it's so her style. And then I got the other shoes so that I can be comfortable walking as I'm gonna be going into the city, and you know, just it's not all the time wearing flats and heels. So like, we got to be comfortable, and it's one of those like you could dress it up with a blazer, you could dress it down, because for tomorrow's event I'm flying into New York later on in the day and then going straight to an event. So I'm gonna probably have on like a blazer, just like a shirt, like a t-shirt or something, some jeans, and the shoes. I'm gonna look cute, okay girl, I'm gonna look cute. I am going to go grab my lunch so that I can eat while I'm attending this training. Let me know, are you guys enjoying these day in the life of a consultant vlogs? I think you guys are. Hey you guys, so it's a new day. I think today's Tuesday. I think it's Tuesday. I don't know the days of the week, y'all know that. But it is currently noon, so I I'm kind of wrapping up work and getting ready to head to the airport. I just did my hair. I just slicked it back and did a little, I tried to do a top knot, low knot situation. It didn't really do what I wanted it to do, but it still looks nice. I needed my hair to be out of my face as I'm going to be traveling for these 24 hours. I don't want to have to retouch my hair, brush it out, curl it, straighten it, all of that. So this bun is a perfect option. And then I used my hair is super dirty, but what I did is I just spray my hair a little bit with water, and then I molded it with my eco styling gel. And then just so that I can keep everything in place, I used this Wonder Lace Bond, this adhesive. It's kind of like Got To Be, but this works nicer with your hair. So I just use this. I'm gonna tie a scarf while I finish packing and getting all my stuff. I packed last night, which is great. I'll try to talk to you guys about how I pack, and then I'm gonna do a separate video on packing for travel because somebody did ask me that. So thank you for suggesting that. But yeah, right now I'm gonna close up my bag and then we are going to head out. So it is much later now. I am back from the event that we had for my firm. A certain group of us, we just did like bonding. So we did bowling here in Times Square. So it was just nice to just bowl, meet people, especially because a lot of us came on during the pandemic, so people haven't really been able to meet each other. So it's people from all levels, mainly seniors and under. It was a really nice time. Got to meet some amazing people that I can obviously add to my network of professionals and network of future work friends. So it was really nice. Did bowling and just, it was so much fun. And I am staying at the Hilton Midtown here in Midtown. I'm literally, Radio City Hall is down it's like the next block over. This hotel it's grand, it's beautiful, and y'all know I am a Hilton Honors member. So quick tip is I prefer staying at one hotel chain so that way I can keep racking up my points, and then if that gives us free nights for when my husband and I are going on our vacations and different trips. So getting some points for staying here for the night. Tomorrow I need to wake up early, and I'm gonna work from my firm, so I need to schedule, before leaving here, I need to schedule like where I'm gonna sit and then head over to the airport. I get home, and then once I get home, we're flying out again to go to North Carolina for my cousin's wedding. The last vlog you guys saw, it was her traditional wedding, so her African traditional wedding, and then this time it's gonna be her white wedding. Super excited because I'm in her bride tribe. So yeah, with that, it's like a lot of traveling happening, but I love it. Why not? We were cooped up inside for so long. It's time to be back outside. Okay, so with that being said, I'll check in with you guys tomorrow. Good morning, guys. So today is the next day and I am headed home, but before that I have to go to the office for the morning activity that we have going on. So I'm gonna show you guys my outfit real quick. Just finished doing my skincare. I told you guys I didn't bring any makeup on this trip. The only thing that I did bring is my Merit eyebrow thing that I'm about to use. But for my morning skincare, I use the Tula So Poreless Deep Exfoliating Blackhead Scrub, and this is how it comes. It's easy to travel, so I always bring this when I'm traveling to exfoliate. And then I told you guys I've been using the Clear It Up acne clearing and tone correcting gel, so I brought that with me, and then I just put it on the spots where I've been getting the most reactions. And for that, something I noticed is that it does leave a white cast. So what I started doing, because you're supposed to put it on twice a day, what I started doing is putting the gel and then going over with my Farsali Quench Moisturizing Serum. This is literally like on my top 5 favorite products. I found it in my stash of stuff and I was like, I thought it was done, but there's still some in here. So I was like, girl, you need to be using it again. It's helped so much with my skin. So I noticed that when I use this over the acne gel, it doesn't give me a white cast and it moisturizes my face very well. I just used my Tula Glow and Get Cool and Brightening Eye Balm for under my eyes to just make me look a little bit more awake. So that is those are my skincare products. Obviously these are all clean, vegan, cruelty-free products. Alright, you guys, so I'm ready to go, and here is my outfit of the day. I hope you guys can see. So I just have on a blazer, some black jeans, and I have my belt just to add a little something, and of course my vivaia shoes. These are very comfortable thus far, I can tell you guys that. I will say size up, maybe go up a half a size. I think I'll be ordering it again in a half a size up. So here is today's look, and my bags are packed. So this is what we're looking like. I am going to walk to the office. It's about a 5-minute walk. So I'm gonna walk to the office, and then I'll see you guys later. Hey guys, so here is my mama. Say hi, mama.
Hi, my baby Nicole.
Oh, say hi to the YouTube people. Say hi, YouTube people.
Hi, YouTube people.
So mom, what do you think about your new shoes?
I'm so happy. I don't know how to explain, but I'm so happy in my heart. So I can get these new shoes. I like to wear this kind of shoes. Nicole already know my choice. Yeah.
So, is it a good Mother's Day gift?
Yes, of course.
Do you recommend?
I will recommend all kids to buy this kind of shoes for their Mother's Day.
Yeah.
I think that will be the best shoes in my heart, that touch my heart. I'm so happy.
Alright, you guys, so I think we're gonna end off the vlog here. I'm gonna go hang out with my mom. If you guys haven't called your mom, call her, say hi, or whoever the mother figure is in your life, if you have one. So I hope you guys enjoy this vlog, and I will see you guys later. Don't forget to check out vivaia. I have the link below for you guys to shop, and I have the coupon code on the screen for you guys. Bye.
Bye. Love you. Happy Mother's Day.